Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. So guys, this vlog is basically a Q&A vlog, but who is going to ask questions? Arnab Goswami.
चिल्ला चिल्ला कर चीख चीख कर चीख
No. So guys, in this vlog, I will be asking questions to myself. This vlog is basically designed. I'm making this vlog so that you guys know more about me. So I'm gonna tell you more and more information about myself, that where I am from, and much more. So guys, let's start this vlog. So guys, first thing first, what is my real name? Captain Walker is all that you guys know. That is my YouTube name. You can also find this name on Instagram. But what is my real name? So guys, my real name is Karan Veer. Karan Veer Singh is my real name. Question number 2, what is my age? I am 30 years old. What is my height? बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं आपकी height क्या? I don't know. Do I look very short in these vlogs? I really don't know. But so many of you guys ask me that what is my height? पीछे एक दिखाता हूँ मैं. So guys, I'm not very tall. So guys, I'm not very tall, not very short. I'm 170 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches approximately. And that is how tall I am. बहुत लोगों ने मेरे से पूछा है, so I think most of you guys got this answer. So guys, where am I actually from? थोड़ा सा confusion हो चुका है because vlogs में कहीं पे मैंने बोला है that I am from Chandigarh, somewhere I said that I am from Mumbai. So I think some of my viewers are a little confused कि भाई ये बंदा है कहाँ से. So I am going to tell you here that I am actually from Chandigarh. Chandigarh से हूँ, but I am here right now working in Mumbai. Actually, I'm from a defense background. My dad has served the Indian Army and now he's retired. So I actually like to say that I am from all over India because after every 2 to 3 years, dad used to get posted. और हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, फिर तीसरी जगह, फिर चौथी जगह. So like this, I spent my childhood. I've stayed in Shillong, I've stayed in Kerala, I've stayed in Delhi, I've stayed in Gwalior and many more places. Bikaner, Dehradun. So many different places. So I'm actually from different places, but basically I am from Chandigarh. So guys, next question, what is my biggest fear? I personally think my biggest fear is that not being able to work. If I wake up and I see that I have nothing to do that whole day, I really don't like it. All my life I just want to work as much as I can. So this is my biggest fear, that not being able to work. So guys, next one, which is my most special moment? So guys, सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी एक माँ को होती है जब उसका बेटा या बेटी कुछ लाइफ में अचीव करता है. So I remember the time when I got hired and when I got a job. So when I got that email, I was so happy, I was so excited. I just screamed, yes, हो गया, and you know, done, I've done this, I've done it, जो भी है. So that moment was very exciting moment for me. And when my mother saw me and when my mother realized कि my son has actually done it, he's got a job for which he had worked so much, she was so happy, she was so excited, she really enjoyed that moment. She also screamed when I was screaming. So that moment I can never ever forget. I still have those images in my mind. Yeah, I remember I was in Panchkula that time. Panchkula is a place close to Chandigarh. So I remember that moment, and that moment I can never ever forget. So that moment is my biggest and the most special moment of my life. So guys, next one, what are my hobbies? So guys, coming to the hobbies, when I was a kid, most of the time I used to go out, play something on the field, and like football, cricket, या basketball हो गया. And in summers I used to love doing swimming, and all these facilities are available to an army kid. So I used to do the most of it. And आप देखोगे कि mostly army kids love doing this. But right now, because of my profile, because of job that I do, and because I travel a lot, ये सब चीज़ें मैं नहीं कर पाता. And इसलिए in evenings, instead of doing all these things, इसलिए I do gymming. अरे बहुत भारी है यार ये. कोई है भाई, कोई लेके जाओ इसको यार. Alright guys, so my favorite food item, I love non-veg. I love anything that is grilled or that is in tandoor, like tandoori chicken हो गया, Afghani chicken हो गया. So all these things I really love. I love going to Dubai because वहाँ खाना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. आप ये बोलते मुझे भूख भी लगी guys. Yeah, so that is my favorite food. And now let's go to the next one. Alright guys, so next thing is, what are 3 things that I can't live without? First thing is that I need to exert. So एक दिन में या कहीं भी मैं होता हूँ, I need somewhere, some place where I can exert. Either gym है, otherwise I'll go and play something. That is number one. Number two is my phone. I'm very much addicted to my phone, even though that's not a very good thing, but I am unfortunately addicted to my phone. Now, number three is vlogging. Now, all those people who vlog, who are creators, who make videos, they will understand how addicted, how addictive this thing is. So now I can't live without this. These are the things which I cannot live without right now. Alright guys, so next one, which is my favorite childhood memory. So guys, when I was in school, that time I was representing my house for discus throw. Nehru house tha ya Chola house, I don't remember. Yellow color का flag था, I remember that. So I was in army school Kannur. तब भी मैं छोटा सा और अपनी क्लास में छोटा सा हाइट का ही था जैसा मैं अभी हूँ. एंड मेरे साथ जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स थे, जो मेरे अगेंस्ट खड़े थे, वो जो मेरे ओपोनेंट्स थे, दे वर वेरी बिग, टॉल एंड टॉलर देन मी एंड यू नो बिगर देन मी. बट जब डिस्कस थ्रो करने की बारी है, आई डोंट नो हाउ माई डिस्कस वेंट क्वाइट फार एंड आई वॉन्ट अ मेडल इन दैट. और जो मेरे से लंबे चौड़े लोग भी थे वो मेरे से पीछे रह गए थे एंड आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. सो दैट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट फॉर मी एंड दैट मोमेंट आई कैन नॉट फॉरगेट बिकॉज नोबडी एक्सपेक्टेड. आई इवन मेरे को भी अपने ऊपर थोड़े डाउट्स है, बट नोबडी एक्सपेक्टेड कि I can win in discus throw, and I was very very happy when I did it and I won a medal. And yeah, so that is one memory that I can never ever forget from my childhood. Alright guys, the next one, which is my life ka mantra. So guys, I really really believe in hope, and there's a movie called Shawshank Redemption. उस movie में एक dialogue था, and I always whenever I am थोड़ा सा मैं स्ट्रेस्ड होता हूँ या थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से, आई ऑलवेज से दैट इन माई माइंड एंड रियली रियली बिलीव इन दीज वर्ड्स. एंड आई दैट इज़ माई लाइफ का मंत्रा. दैट इज़ होप. इट्स अ गुड थिंग, मे बी द बेस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स. इफ यू रियली वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग, बिलीव इन होप. वन डे you will achieve it. So guys, with this I come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys know more about me now, and I promise to be more and more regular with my vlogs. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys really like my videos. I'll see you all next time. तब तक के लिए आप सबका दिन मंगल में हो.